Hi, are you tired of typing radiology reports? Try Cortical. Using Cortical, you can create reports just by speaking them. You speak and Cortical will type them. So let's see a demo. I have opened the Cortical app. Let's go to patient notes. Let's create a new note. Let's name something like A and save it. Let's write reports for A. This is a knee MRI for a 63-year-old male. New para. Ligaments. New line. Anterior cruciate ligament is normal in anatomy and signal intensity. New line. Posterior cruciate ligament is normal in anatomy and signal intensity. New line. Lateral collateral ligament is normal in anatomy and signal intensity. New line. Medial collateral ligament is normal in anatomy and signal intensity. Save note. New line. Lateral meniscus is normal in anatomy and signal intensity. New line. Medial meniscus is normal in anatomy and signal intensity. New para. Joint space and articular cartilage. New line. Joint space is normal and significant joint effusion seen extending to pre and suprapatellar bursa. New para. Anterior extensor mechanism. New line. Patella is normal in anatomy and signal intensity. New line. Retropatellar cartilage is normal. Retropatellar cartilage is normal. New line. Medial patellar retinaculum is normal in anatomy and signal intensity. New line. Lateral patellar retinaculum is normal in anatomy and signal intensity. New para. Quadriceps tendon appears intact. New line. Patellar ligament appears normal. New para. New para. Posterolateral corner structure are within normal limits. New line. Posteromedial corner structure are within normal limits. Save note. Hi, now we'll see how we can access the notes that we created from our laptop or desktop. So we'll go to this address. Patri.com/notes. It's HTTPS. Yeah. Once we go here, we have to sign in. So I will choose the account using which I created the notes. Sign in is successful. You can see my name, the name which I used, and the username. View patient notes. So the last token ID was 27. I will just click it. It's actually already loaded it. So as you can see, this is we can either do a select all and it will select everything, but it will not copy the date. We can also do a select all here and it will copy the patient details, but we haven't added any, so let's not select it. We can just do a select all like this, select all, or we can select the individual rows and then open any WordPad or a Microsoft Office, anything. Okay, WordPad is free, so you can use that, and I can paste it. What I could have also done is I could have gone here and clicked the include creation date. So what that would do is it will also include the creation date, as you can see. So if you have written notes multiple times for a patient, you can just include creation date as well. So that is pretty easy. And so what I can do is I can just do this in bold, do this in bold, just normal things, anatomy and it should, this is another mistake, it should be intact. And then what I can do is it should be an EMRI. Okay, and then what I can do is I can do a control P. So what I can do is I can do a Microsoft print to PDF, or I can send it to printer itself. So that's not a very big deal. And I can save it anywhere. So as you saw, how easy it is to, you can just keep the tab open, and from here you can just copy things, whatever you created, whichever notes you created, you can just click and copy all the notes, and then just by a button click, just click it, and it will select everything, and then you can just paste it in the WordPad, and that's all you have to do, and do a basic editing, and you are good. Put it in your hospital CMR, print it, do whatever you want with it. It's fairly simple. It is way more faster. Thanks a lot. This is all from our side.